Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device is unlocked and connected to a stable network. This prevents accidental changes while apps sync. Once done, open Settings and use the search box to type data. It saves time versus digging through menus. Tap Network and Internet or Cellular, depending on OS, to access data usage. You want to see baseline numbers so you can measure changes, and make sure background sync is paused while you adjust limits to avoid surprises. Now you configure limits. Enable Data Saver or set a monthly data cap, entering the threshold in GB or MB so the system warns you near the limit. Then review per app usage and identify culprits. Restrict background data for those apps that consume most, because stopping background refresh saves significant bytes. Make sure auto-update over mobile data is off, and lower streaming quality for video and music apps. These changes reduce usage without blocking core functionality, so you keep control. Finish by confirming your changes and restarting the device. This ensures settings apply and counters refresh correctly. Once rebooted, check the data graphs and set the usage cycle to match your billing date so alerts align with your plan. Make sure to test an app briefly to confirm background restrictions work. If numbers look incorrect, reboot again, toggle Data Saver off and on, and if needed, reset network settings. That usually corrects misreported usage while preserving accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.